Hey, leadership team. It is currently Friday afternoon. Hey, leadership team. It's currently Friday afternoon. It is about 3 o'clock, right before kids are leaving. Hey, wanted to quickly connect. We have a meeting on Monday at 2, and I know that it's your day, but we're going to try to have some conversation. A few things that we're going to talk about. First off, Dave Caring is on May 5th, and I emailed you all before we left talking about what are we going to do. We do have some busing options, and we need to think about how we're going to keep kids safe. But what does that look like everywhere? We're going to try to figure out. So bring some ideas of what you're thinking, if you are thinking anything, or some wishes or wants. We're going to talk a little bit about a book study or some options that we might look at with that. We're going to really look at how do we prepare ourselves for our mindset and how do we get ourselves moving forward. So that's another piece. I had shared with you last time that middle school sheet and what do you hope, what do you dream, what do you want from Minnewaska Middle School, and a few of you have shared that back with me, and I appreciate that. I have put it in a sheets or Google Sheets, and I will share that with you. But if you have not had time to do that, I am asking you to do that now so that we can see where everybody's at. I think there's some really important things and takeaways from this as far as where do we go and how do we go and what are the things that are most important to us. And so I would like you to fill that out if you haven't. And we're going to have some conversation about where we're headed and what that might mean for us as we move forward. And then we're going to talk a little bit about the ending of the year. Our student council has some ideas of what they're looking for and just wanting to know where you're at. And how we celebrate. And so those are some big pieces. I'm sure before we get there, I'm missing a thing or two that we'll chat about on Monday. But again, Monday at 2. I think we'll move in Caleb's room again. It seems that most of us are vaccinated and able to be closer than 6 feet. It won't take a whole classroom out. So 2 o'clock, we'll see you then. Have a great weekend. Bye.